चैनल ग्रेजुएशन वाला, जहां हम करने वाले हैं इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन स्किल इन इंग्लिश एबिलिटी एनहांसर्स कोर्स AE3 ENG2 कोर्स कोड आपका है, जिसका आंसर की BA का पेपर है। आपके BA BSc BCA सभी लोगों का ही पेपर आया होगा। आपका BCA तक का इसका आंसर की आइए देखते हैं। दीनदयाल उपाध्याय का ही पेपर है आपका। विच वर्ड हैज डिफरेंट वॉवेल साउंड? ऑप्शन सी कार। विच वर्ड राइम्स विथ क्यूई? ऑप्शन A few. In the word education, the D3 sound occurs in option A edu. Which pair has same vowel sound? Option C sip lip. The tone of a passage shows the author's attitude. Option B. Effective listening involves paying attention. Option C. Effective listening requires eye contact and feedback. ऑप्शन बी। कितने क्वेश्चंस आपके सही है कमेंट में बताइएगा। टच एंड पिच हेल्प्स लिसनर टू अंडरस्टैंड इमोशंस। ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट है। ए पैराग्राफ यूजुअली बिगिंस विद अ टॉपिक सेंटेंस। ऑप्शन बी। द लास्ट सेंटेंस ऑफ अ पैराग्राफ यूजुअली concludes. The structure of paragraph is intro, body, conclusion. The tone of this is an urgent matter is serious. Option B. A narrative tone is used to explain, to tell a story. Option B करेक्ट हो जाएगा यहाँ पर। A neutral tone is used in poems. A paragraph with logical order and flow has a disunity. Option A यहाँ पर coherence. A paragraph with a logical order and flow has a coherence. Inference means drawing conclusions using evidence. A paragraph with one clear idea shows unity. Feedback during listening can be shown by nodding. Option B nodding. Active listening means paying attention. The word record noun is stressed on the first syllable. Option A. Which is impolite when talking to a teacher? Dude. Option C. Which is polite when addressing an older person? Excuse me, sir. Option A. Which is the most polite form of thanks? Thank you very much. Option B. Which is polite when someone is leaving? Have a safe trip. Option C. Have a safe trip. Safe trip. Which phrase is polite for leaving early? Excuse me, I need to go. Which is polite to ask for repetition? I beg you pardon. Option C. Which is impolite when offering help? Option B. Want help or not? Option B correct है. Which phrase makes a polite offer? Would you like a cup of tea? Option A. Which is polite when asking for direction? Excuse me, could you tell me where is the bank? Where the bank is? Which is polite when asking time? What's the time, please? Option C. Which is polite for giving instructions? Please follow these steps. Option A. Which politely ends a conversation? It was nice talking to you. Which of these is important during an interview? Confidence. What should you do prefer attending an interview? Research the company. Option B. The best dress code for an interview is formal. Option B. Which of these should be avoided in an interview? Nervous movements. Option D. What is the purpose of a stress interview? To test emotional stability. What is the ideal posture in an interview? Straight and relaxed. Option C correct है. Which document is most essential in an interview? Resume. Option A. What is the group discussion? Option C. Listening and responding logically. Which should be avoided in a group discussion? Dominating. Option A. Which is the best way to start a group discussion? By greeting and defining the topic. which is not a quality of good participant in a group discussion. Option C, aggression. The main purpose of a presentation is to inform, persuade or educate. The silent letter in the word known is K. Listening for gist means listening for the main idea. Option B. Which tool helps presentators display data clearly, pie charts and graphs? Option B. Innovation refers to change in voice pitch. Option C. The main purpose of a group discussion is to share ideas and opinions to solve a problem. ऑप्शन बी विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर पैराग्राफ यूनिटी. वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब और लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा. ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट है 50 का. सेंटेंस मस्ट रिलेट टू द मेन आइडिया.